Challenge 116, replace. Implement replace s from to, which replaces the string from with to once in the given string s. For example, type replaced, replace, types are fun, replace fun with awesome, expected to be types are awesome. Makes sense. First, we're gonna check if the string from is part of the overall string. For that, we're gonna check if s extends inf before, then has the string from, and then anything after, so inf after. If that's the case, we want to return a string with whatever came before, then the to, and whatever came after. If it's not the case, then we just return s because we don't replace anything. Looks already quite good, just here this does not work because we get here the empty string. Obviously that fits because an empty string is gonna be before and after, so it replaces the empty string with foo and inserts foo at the first possible position in the word, which is like after the first letter. So we have to check if from extends the empty string, then we just return the string because we don't want to replace anything, otherwise we do what we just did. Yeah, and that's already it. Let me know if you had any trouble with it, if you need further explanations, and let me know what your solution is. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.